Hey, what's up, everybody? So, anyways, long story short, I'm packing for the bear hunt. It's the night before I'm leaving, and I have nothing ready. I mean, I have some things ready that I've started to pile up. I'll kind of give you a rundown and show you what all I think we're gonna bring. So, anyways, here we go. So here's the start to it. We have basically my bow, rifle. I'm bringing a 30-06. I'm shooting an elite bow. One of the coolers I'm bringing to haul hopefully a bear home. Fishing poles, lights, both lights so then I can shoot better quality videos. So I got a little more light to this. Actually, let me pull the blind. Boom, there you go. Now you can see a little better. Anyways, I'm bringing a 45 just in case. Well, the rest of that bottle of Jameson right there too, honestly. I got all my camera gear going in one bag, laptop, headphones, and then in the other room, I'll take you there. Oh, there's Addie in the dog cage. That's hilarious. Oh, can't show that. Bags are starting to get packed. All my hunting gear, Katie's gear. She's going to be doing the filming for the hunt. It's pretty spectacular of her. Definitely I basically packed all my clothes in about 10 minutes. Got to clean the car out. We still got to clean the car out. Ooh, let's see if I can do this. Yeah, so we still got to clean the car out. Get that thing ready to go. Yes, we're taking a Prius on a bear hunt, which is freaking hilarious. I can't wait to see the reaction from all the country boys that watch me show up in a Prius, which is a pretty stereotypical look that I get when I show up that way. But as far as I've heard, the roads are good to get in, so I don't need a truck. Anyways, that's kind of a little snippet start. I'll hit you when I'm on the road. Buddy, going on my first black bear hunt. Katie's getting ready to get in the car. What up? Come on, loser! You ready to go on an adventure?
Okay.
Super pumped. Can't wait to go. We're just leaving town now. It's like 2:18. We got like a 8-hour drive. Yeah. Oh, 8.5-hour drive. Woo! Man, I'm gonna wear my rear end out. No pun intended. Anyway, so should be a good time. I'll give you updates along the way. Probably not too much today, just because we are gonna be riding in the car through Missouri, up through Iowa, into Sioux Falls. Is it Sioux Falls? Sioux Falls, whatever. Some Indian named falls. I could say that because I got 5% Indian in you. Yeah, but we don't know which Indian I am. We just found out, so all my friends have a huge joke about how they think I am Mexican. Got a purse. A little Coach bag. Can't hate. Gotta love the wife. So basically, my friends make fun of me. They don't know what my ethnicity is. Well, we did one of those DNA tests. Really funny. It came back that I have Native American blood in my system. Like it's alcohol. That's funny. But anyway, so no, hell no. No, that's straight soda. Okay. Yeah, it's straight soda. So basically, we're going to Sioux Falls, whatever, South Dakota. We'll end up there tonight, do a 12-hour trek tomorrow.
12 or 14?
That's like forever. Basically the whole damn day tomorrow.
One of my coworkers told me where a good brewery in Montana is.
A brewery in Montana?
We are stopping in his hometown.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
In Joe Montana.
In Bosman, Montana. So
apparently that's where we're going tomorrow, or we'll end up. We're gonna try to see tomorrow the Badlands, which I'm really pumped. I love nature, so natural formations, things like that are amazing to me. So we're going to get to see the Badlands. Mount Rushmore, still we're waiting for them to add Trump to that, but, don't know if that'll happen. Oh, really? Lemonade? We got soda. Come on. We got a whole car packed. And look at this shit. You can barely see out the back window. There's more hunting gear in here than is probably possibly needed. But anyway, we're ready for an 8-hour trek. So, we're going to get this done tonight, and I will be back tomorrow.